Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi, just in case you're coming here for the first time. So, today I'm going to be showing you how I created this design. Okay, was a bit difficult, but finally, I pulled it off. I'm going to use this as a reference point because trust me, this is not that easy. Um, the first thing I did was let's work on the hair. So this is um I first added a circle, okay, a circle, change the color to this. This is my circle, bring it down a bit. Yep. Then added another circle, this would serve as the hair. It's like a black afro hair and position, take it all the way to the back. Is this? Nope, no, 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 no. Something like this. Hmm, I'm not sure I'm getting it. Okay, yeah. See why I said this was not that easy. So this is the hair. We have hair. So now I just created a small circles so the hair doesn't look just plain. Okay, so this is one. Wow. Number. So I just duplicated this. This is duplicated this. Yep. So just duplicated this into smaller circles, smaller circles, smaller circles, smaller circles. hmm Let's see if, okay, so we're done with the hair. It may not look exactly as may not look exactly the way it was. Okay, I'm gonna bring this bring this out. So let's have a look. Oh, yeah, we have here. We're just gonna go with this. See, other one was a bit smaller, but it's fine. So another circle. Trying to get our eyes now. This is white color. Duplicate again another white. So we have our eyes. Now the nose, the nose. I'm not done with the eyes. Just we'll get back to that. This is our nose. To our nose. Oh, we're not done with the eyes. So I'm just gonna duplicate this and black. Place it here. Looks too big. Just a bit. Nope. Duplicate this. Duplicate again, but this time the color is going to be white. Reduce it, then place it inside. Duplicate this and then place it inside. So now we have our eyes, and we have our nose. Whoa, this looks big. It's big. So, okay. Then our mouth. Use a curve. Change the color to white. I think we have this kind of curve. We have to reduce this. I'm going to use this as a reference. So, I think okay. Duplicate this, flip it. Crop this box. It's not cropping. Wow. So I'm going to reduce this further just a bit. Then make sure that no part is showing. Reduce this further. So yes, we have our nose, we have our mouth. This nose too far off. Nope. So we have our nose. We have our nose, we have our eyes and everything. Then the earring. What is for the earring? Yep. Use a circle, reduce it to the color. I use something like this. It's here. To the back just once. Duplicated this, brought it here, and took this to the back also. Oops, not there. No, forward, just one. So we have our earrings and we have our hair. This one is looking a bit different, just a bit different. So I think for our neck, the same color should be the one I used. Now I have to make sure that there's a demarcation so you can see where the neck starts from. So this is what I did. Back, 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 back. Took it to the back till okay, now this is what's aiming for. Okay, but okay. Yes, now you can see the demarcation. Then this is the dress. I think the color I used for the dress was this. I really can't remember. think it was this. So get to the back, brush it here. So we have something like this. So this is it. So I'm not done yet. Um, I used search for curve and the pots on our head or the basket, whichever one you want to call it. I use with this. Yep. Yes. Put it here. Wow, this is so big. Put it here. Placed it here, and I didn't take it all the way to the back. Yes, I did not do that. A circle, reduced it, put it here. Move to the color. To the back. Mhm. And then I added a shadow. You can get that with I added a shadow. Sorry, my voice is not loud. This sorry about that. Yes, this is the shadow. And then I placed it behind just one. Oh, there's a shadow, and I'm going to bring this down a bit. Okay, so what the next thing I did was to make sure that there are fruits, just a different color to the back, duplicated this. I think we have this color of fruit, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Something here. We are almost done. We are almost done. Okay, you can add yours because of time. Now, for the dress, just search for African pattern graphics. Trying to look for this is the one I used. Let me see a bit. So we have this particular image. The next thing I did here was just add this ring. Sorry, add it here. Change this color to black so it doesn't say the whole place doesn't look empty. But because of time, I won't do that. So let me just show you how I added the trees. So, trees. Scale of this particular tree. Why didn't I see you sing? But let me just use the one I think this is the tree I used to check. Okay, this is the tree. Reduce transparency to 9. Duplicate this. Flip it horizontally to the back. Then where is, oh, I think this is, then we have grass. Change this color to black. Flip, and we have, yep. Okay. One final thing before I call it quits. And this was pretty much how I achieved this design. It's not as perfect as the other one, but at least it still looks good. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just feel like creating this tutorial in case anybody wants to do something similar. All right, now see you in the next video tutorial. Please subscribe. I'll be sharing more tutorials soon. Bye bye for now. My name is Kelechi Augustine Okorie.